Bonjour, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Unless you're a professional baker, how many types of flour do you need? Here's one, you can make it from scratch. So let's find out. Here we have a cup of all-purpose flour, and then we'll remove 2 tablespoons from it. I like using a leveler to be more accurate. We'll now replace them with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, so we still have our 1 full cup of flour. Over a medium bowl, we'll sieve these 2 together before whisking it until well blended. This is how we make a cake flour substitute. As you saw in this video, it's convenient, plus there's no need to buy it. Therefore, it's cost effective. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!